Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an incredibly useful set of audio tools, the Yumiwoow 6 Pack 1-4 TRS to XLR adapters. For anyone working with audio, whether it's in a home studio, on stage, or for live sound, these adapters are designed to be an indispensable part of their kit. This particular pack comes with 6 adapters, offering a versatile combination. Users get 3 pieces that convert a 1/4-inch TRS male input to an XLR male output, and another 3 that convert a 1/4-inch TRS male input to an XLR female output. This dual configuration means that a wide array of connection challenges can be easily resolved, providing flexibility for various setups and ensuring there's always a suitable adapter on hand, or even a backup. One of the first things that stands out about these Yumiwoow adapters is their professional-grade construction. Each adapter features a sturdy die-cast shell made from high-strength zinc alloy with nickel plating. This not only gives them an attractive and durable finish, but also ensures they can withstand the rigors of frequent use and transport. The XLR connectors themselves are high-quality metal shielded types, designed with a positive locking mechanism that provides a secure and reliable connection to microphones or other XLR-equipped devices, preventing accidental disconnections during critical moments. The design philosophy behind these adapters is clearly plug and play. They are engineered to conform to international standards for 6.3514-inch TRS to XLR audio connectors, meaning they integrate seamlessly into existing audio systems without requiring any special tools or complex configurations. This ease of use is a significant advantage for both seasoned professionals and hobbyists alike. Furthermore, their all-metal construction is not just for durability, it plays a crucial role in signal integrity. It ensures a lossless transmission of audio frequencies and provides protective shielding against RF and EMI noise, which is vital for maintaining a clean and clear audio signal, free from unwanted interference. Compatibility is another strong suit of the Yumiwoow adapters. They are widely compatible with a broad range of audio devices that feature both TRS and XLR ports. This includes essential studio and live sound equipment such as speakers, microphones, effect processors, mixers, equalizers, and amplifiers. This broad compatibility makes them a versatile solution for connecting different pieces of gear, bridging the gap between various audio standards. The slim profile of these connectors is also worth noting. It makes them incredibly convenient for travel, whether they're being packed into a gig bag for a live performance, a camera bag for a shoot, or simply kept organized in a home studio. Having a 6-pack not only offers immediate utility, but also provides excellent value, ensuring that users are always prepared for any connection scenario that might arise. In essence, the Yumiwoow 6 Pack 1-4 TRS to XLR adapters represent a robust, reliable, and highly practical solution for anyone needing to adapt their audio connections with professional quality and peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.